This is the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. The National Weather Service, along with the West Virginia State Police, have issued a severe thunderstorm warning until 12:30 a.m. for the following counties: Randolph, Webster, Braxton, Nicholas, Kanawha, Fayette, Greenbrier, Pocahontas, Calhoun, Roane, and Monroe counties. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 between mile markers 171 and 32, Interstate 77 between mile markers 129 and 33, Interstate 79 between mile markers 0 and 81, U.S. Route 19 between mile markers 0 and 67, Corridor G between mile markers 38 and 101. At 10:05 p.m., the National Weather Service office in Charleston was tracking a severe thunderstorm 5 miles near Lewisburg, moving at 70 miles per hour. Impacts include the following but are not limited to: 120 mile per hour wind gusts, winds in excess of 80 miles per hour, some places reporting winds in excess of 100 miles per hour, widespread power outages, major tree damage. Mobile homes will be significantly damaged or even destroyed. Take shelter now. Do not wait. Rainfall in excess of 5 inches reported. If a flooded road occurs, find a deeper route. Turn around, don't drown. Hail size of up to 3 inches in diameter were reported. With the severe thunderstorm warning, a shelter-in-place warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Report local severe weather to 1 area code 800-401-9535 or on our Facebook page.
Normal programming will resume momentarily.